How to dispute a charge in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can dispute a charge in Uber. Now the process is actually quite simple. What you have to do is you want to simply head into your browser. You want to head into your browser on your any device and you want to search in for www.uber.com. You want to head into official Uber page there. I'll just search in for uber.com here, and once you're there, what you want to do is you can log into your account. Simply tap on login option there and you want to log into your account here. Now, I'll just log in quickly with my Google account since I've created my account with my Google account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to head into the help option. Now here what you want to do, either on the app or on the browser, you can simply head into the account option there and you want to head into help option. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on help with a trip option here. Now I don't have any trips here, but if you do have trips, you want to select the trip that you want to dispute the charge for, and then you want to tap on review my fare or fees, and when it'll prompt you to another page there, you want to fill in the necessary details for your complaint and you want to submit your complaint. So once you do this, they should be able to get back to you once they review your complaint. So this way you can dispute a charge in Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.